Okay, let's get our last one out. Look at that beauty. Wow. That is gorgeous. Okay, this one's done. There is that beauty. Here's our third pizza. I think it was the biggest pizza. I didn't weigh the dough, but it definitely looked like the biggest pizza. And this one had marinara sauce on it, chicken and pepperoni, and it's all melted into the cheese there. 2 different kinds of cheese. Here's our second pizza with just the cheese and chicken. And it came out really nice too. The crust is really wonderful. The bottom is beautiful, nice and crispy and dark. So we'll have to cut these up and eat them. Okay, let's cut this pizza up. I only have this pizza cutter, which is not the best one. It's not even big enough maybe to go through, but I thought I'd give it a go. That's not too bad. I just want to see how the crust here on the end looks. Okay, so there's our crust. It's a nice bubbly, airy crust. It's nice and chewy. Let's see. Oh yeah. That's delicious. Nothing like sourdough. Nice airy bubbly crust here. And cut the rest of it up. I really need a new pizza cutter. I guess that's next in line. So we've got some nice pizza here. Nice bubbly crust. And it came out really good. Really happy with it. Here's our third pizza. So let's see if we can cut across this. Beautiful. Nothing like the right size pizza cutter to do the job. Let's see what that looks like on the inside. Came out really good. Look at the bubbles on that. Nice. There's our second one. The chicken and cheese. And there's the pesto, Kalamata olive, sun-dried tomatoes, and whatever else. So we've got our 3 pizzas done. And they came out really good.